Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now you're watching this video because you're searching for a method on how to get a free Tinder Gold membership. This is going to get you a 1 month free Tinder Gold, and it is actually so easy. So I know Tinder's not too expensive, but hey, every little helps, and this method is pretty easy, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. It takes a few minutes. So as you can see here, you need to use your mobile phone and just follow the instructions that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So yeah, just make sure you do follow everything that I do here. So go to this website, guys, www.wavycoupons.com. So you need to spell it exactly like this, Wavy Coupons, and you need to go to this website here. You'll recognize it by the logo. Hit the search bar at the top of the page and search for Tinder. Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. Click on that page, scroll down. Now I'm saying Tinder Gold, but you can even choose Plus or Platinum, so you can just basically choose which version of the upgrade you want. I'm going to click on Gold, so you click on basically show coupon, and this is going to pop up. Now this is a Tinder promo code that we need to unlock, and once we unlock the code we can redeem it in the Tinder app or on the website, and it's going to give us the corresponding upgrade. So click unlock code. Now the reason we need to actually unlock these codes, as you can imagine, these are pretty valuable, so this just prevents someone from stealing every code. And now you're going to see this screen that says code unlocker, and basically we need to follow these instructions. We need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below and follow the instructions below each of them. So on my screen I have a list of different tasks that are all completely free, and essentially guys, I need to select 2 of these tasks and follow the instructions that it says below of each of them. So this one here is like a survey, and it says enter your email and complete the steps. So if I was to choose that one, I basically click on it and I need to answer the questions, and I need to input my valid and correct email address. Obviously this verifies I'm a real person. So let me do 2 of these and then I'll return once I've done them. Okay guys, so I just took my time and fully completed 2 of the tasks on this page. I completed this survey here, basically had to answer some questions and then enter my correct email. Now I just went ahead and also did this survey here, pretty much the same thing, but it was for a different company. So now I've completed those 2 tasks, and if you've fully completed them, you have to press your tabs button. And if you've done everything correctly, following all of the instructions, you should see this Tinder coupon codes tab. Open it up, and it has now revealed the 12-month free Tinder Gold promo code, which you can copy and redeem it on the Tinder website or in the app, and it's going to upgrade your Tinder account to a free gold membership. So I'm going to be using this one in a few minutes, so you need to get your own code. Go to wavycoupons.com. Make sure you go to the correct website, follow all of the instructions, and if you successfully get your free Tinder Gold, go ahead, smash that like button. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.